Hey YouTube, today we're going to be customizing this truck. Like, it's kind of already have customized, but I'll show you what I do. Customize it, so let's get into this. Crap, I'm already going. I don't use brakes. Bumper, I get the bottom one. So I don't usually get that. The grill, I got that grill. Lights, horn. And plate now, respray, we got a primary, metallic, black, silent, I prefer the red because it looks better. Let's see if I find it. Alright, that one. Then you go to secondary, matte black, and then roof, no, suspension, I don't know, let's see, let's keep it up. Transmission, now, turbo now, wheels, outside. When I go home, I usually like the stock wheels because it's better. And then you go to color, black, accessories, custom, red, window, customize. So that's how it looks. So it comes out to look like. I'll show you how it tests runs. Here, so you have a drifting truck. And still go up all these cars. Okay.